Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage a Grace Jerk Fest. Welcome none other than the man who is one of the senior writers for IT and Fancy Cat Sure. The man who is known from the Owen Blakka fame. Welcome, Blakka Ellis.
Yeah. Hey! Grace Jerk Fest people on the feeling. Big up all the ladies, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, all the ladies, and all the man them, myself, Funo. Because the woman them have more fun than the man them all the time. Hello, it is very hard to be a man, not true? Yeah man, me I try all my life. It's very hard to be a man. Woman don't have this thing locked. I want to teach the man them a few things about etiquette. But first of all, Rockastanti, I call me comedian. I mean, like, them call me comedian. Because comedians tend to be ugly. Oliver Samuel is IT and Fancy Cat, comedian. I'm more, good job end with her. Singer, actor, dancer, teacher, lawyer. So I'm a joker. Or a storyteller. Me like the her. Because me like her and her and her. Me like all the her them. Alright? Yeah man, so I want to teach the man my few things about etiquette. Because man must understand something like etiquette. Like say, you don't talk to a next man while he's using the urinal. I am in the bathroom and I'm like, yo Blakka, you that? No, don't talk to me. Me like a man talk. When I have my hand on a certain part of me, me know I hear a man voice. Am I right or am I right? So you must understand the bathroom etiquette, gentlemen, and also learn one next thing, men. You're in the bathroom, you are being constantly judged. Yeah, you are being judged by a thing called the elbow test. You have to learn the elbow test, the elbow rule. When you're in the bathroom, people are watch you and judge you by your elbow. Them they behind you, and if you use the urinal and your elbow show, nothing not going for you. But when your elbow now show now, you're the man. So you have to learn the bathroom etiquette thing. That's why I don't like use the male bathroom. Me not hide and talk. Anytime I use the bathroom, me use the ladies' bathroom. Because the door said F-E-M-A-L-E, that means female. It's for me. So me walking them, me not ask a question. Because first of all, the ladies' bathroom always look good, smell good, have mirror, have tissue, have two different kinds of garbage bin. But the men's bathroom come like chemical warfare. And no matter what woman go bathroom for, they can lock the door of a private stall and do what them doing with some degree of privacy. But we man, we get this collective urinal where the man they must stand up side by side. I must stand beside a complete stranger, exposing my most intimate source of insecurity. And that's when some men fully understand terms like neighborhood watch. So me use the ladies' bathroom in a hide and talk. But the last time I go in the ladies' bathroom, I got in trouble. I rush in the bathroom, I flick out, and after about to shake one small part of me, a lady walk in, big and large, a victim of circumference. And she shake the whole Jamaica. What you doing in here? I said, lady, well, if you can't see what I'm doing, I think you're trying to insult me. You're not supposed to be in here. I said, lady, why? Because this is for ladies only. I said, lady, this too. You have to learn the bathroom etiquette, people. And the best piece of rock on earth. Cause Jamaica, we know hide and talk. We talk straight. We don't beat around the bush. We talk things as they are. Here in America, if you're fat, then don't call you fatty. It's not polite. In Jamaica, if you're fat, your name fatty. If your head big, your name big head. If you're tall, your name tall man. If you're slim, your name slimmers. That's why they call me Blakka. I know man right now have one long hand and one short hand, and they call him clock. Because we don't beat anything, anywhere you look, I saw your name. If you're mostly from somewhere in Asia, you could have come from Japan, Thailand, Korea, your name Chin. Work with it. I thought Jamaican stay. Your name Chin. We not play. Anything we see, I will say. If you don't all think, ladies, if you're not Jamaican, if you have not been to Jamaica at all, and you long for some appreciation and some love and some admiration, go Jamaica. Man I go want you. As you land, some man I go want to step to you and want to marry to you. Whether feel love or visa, well, are two different things. But Jamaican man, we not hide and talk. If woman apart, we are lyrics then. You may call it sexual harassment. We call it admiration. But first time days, a man with lyrics, yo, promise to thrill you. Oh, nice lady, if I could hold you and kiss you, we'd float beyond. But nowadays, man don't promise to thrill you. Them threaten to kill you. You see me hold you, a murder. If they hold you, girl, hey, no lamb want you, just a while ago. I tell me, woman love for your dark and ignorant, hate to love, hey, me kill you with it. Hey, girl, because gentlemen know we again. There are no more. Anybody know a gentleman? You know gentleman? When him walk him underpants now show. You know gentleman where him walk straight. Him the walk on the bias like. You know gentleman, then that first time thing, me miss the old time days, man. We ain't got party first time days. One man, one girl a date. You dance for that. Nowadays party I keep Ringo called Django, Django called Dango, and 18 man. They call it posse or crew or massive. I call it men dating men. And them got party and 18 man line up for Billy Bounce. Me now bounce no Willie with no man. Find a girl and dance with. Am I right or am I right? You have a whole time dance name Rubber Dub. Them a play disco, man a Rubber Dub. Them play calypso, we are Rubber Dub. Rhythm and blues, a rhythm and blues. No man if you dance, man, no man them old them. Let me miss the old time days, man. When Pitney used to play them old body, hopscotch. Dolly House. Me love play Dolly House. Me always father. And the nicest girl and mother. And they pick them to go on a school and stay long. Remember them days, man, when kids were innocent, nowadays picnic and them born them big. They have a first time thing named children clothing. Picnic frock make like picnic frock. Remember them days, man, crinoline, puff sleeve. Nowadays, they must make some small big woman frock. I call it picnic frock. Girl just born of and brought up blouse. Them all have French cut nappy. Victoria's Secret diaper. And I want to tell you that nowadays, the way them nowadays young girls dress, what Victoria have is no longer a secret. Because everything I show, leg, breast and tie like a KFC. I missed the first time days, man, when you had to imagine what a woman look like. Nowadays, everything, no, up front, no, I miss the old time days, man. I miss those days when children were children. When girls had hairdo and boys have hair don't. No, everybody have hairdo, everything mixed up, cross thread. And the man move on some pants are so tight, the man pants are squeeze me. Yeah, man. And the woman them walk past you for some tight thing. Yeah, man, when them walk past you, them bottom is like two little boy under a sheet fighting. And because me them man have peace, me want to go part the fight. Trust me, even, I must tell you, if you don't know, I am now a man of God. But even church, the church have been violent. Me go to church before last Sunday, I come back in my jacket and I swell up. A woman give me a left hand box. Cause I am at the back seat of church. She stand up to sing at him. And she stand up and I see her dress itch up. Like she have a wedgie. And because I'm helpful, me take me hand and pull it out. And she give me a left hand box. Me go to church the following Sunday in the same bench, the same lady stand up with the same cock in her bottom. Me ignore her. Cause me get my box already. The man beside me, him go take him hand and pull it out. And because I know she don't like it, I take my hand and pull it in back. Would have been hot son of shady tree and the longest prayer of amen. Amen.